Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. This is Tanya at SideGigCrafts. You guys, today's Finish It Friday. I don't think I can finish my project today, but let's work on it and see what we can do. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's bound to be an interesting one here. We've got a lot going on at work today when I go in. I'll be curious to see how the day progresses. So today's a great day. I found a box of my creative studio, and I wanted to use this today in this journal. This is a box that came back. Let's see if it's got a date on it. It says May of 2022, and it is a like a pen pal or a writing theme, and they sent out these beautiful pens. I absolutely love this thing. And I still keep it in the box because I don't want it to get broken. They're glass and they're just gorgeous, and I've never had anything like that before, so I love that. Oh my, you guys, I'm looking in Rocky's tank and there's this big old bug that died in there. It's almost as big as the fish. I'm gonna have to get that out. I just looked over and saw it floating. I'm like, what is that? Okay, sorry, side note. It looks like Rocky might be chewing on him. Okay. All right, so it also has some stickers in there. That is so gross. I almost want to stop and go fix it. But I'll let him have his snack. All right, your creative studio. There's washi tapes in here. There's some rubber stamps in here. Now, I thought these would be fun. I forgot all about this box. But I thought these would be great for making like the ID cards and stuff. I want to do that soon. And in fact, I want to put at least one in this journal because I think that would be a really fun touch. And let's see. I want to plan that a little better first, though. And there's this charm. We're going to put this on there. It's just a little envelope with a heart on it. Super cute. We're going to do that today. Got these tissue papers I think we can use in there. I think they're great. And they've got the stamp on there. They look like they've been coffee dyed. So we're going to put some of this in there. These are the stickers. Maybe we could put some of that. And they put some like stationery and stuff in there, which I think would go well. And some cute envelopes. I love these. So I think these might also be a nice touch. In fact, I could even use one of these envelopes in there. And then these are the stickers. Might be able to use some of these. So I kind of wanted to implement, or not implement, that's probably not the word, put some of these things in there too. Look at this paper. Isn't that gorgeous? But I thought it'd be fun to tuck one of these envelopes in there with a piece of paper to write on. And there's these little labels. And of course there's more tissue. And then the tissue that it comes with is just gorgeous too. So I thought let's kind of go through this journal and see what we can put in there. Take this out. I don't need that anymore. My trash can is still not back. I just threw that on the floor under the desk. That's awesome. The hard part about that is getting down on my hands and knees to go get that stuff out from under the desk. That's the part that makes me at myself for throwing it down there. All right, so I also found this little envelope that I made prior, and I wanted to distress it and put it in there also. So let's do that first. Put that in there. Just finding all the fun things. I'm looking over my poor little fish. I wonder what happened there. I was traumatized by the bug. It's kind of gross. Kind of gross. I think I'm traumatized by the bug. It's a big old bug. They've grown big here in Alabama. Tell you what, I never saw bugs this size back in California. It's a thing. Alright. this weird spider in my house the other day. I was like, what in the world is that? And I actually had to post a picture of it. It was huge. Huge. And it scared the crap out of me, to be honest. Like, what is that? So as it turns out, it's some variety of huntsman spider, I'm told, or a fisher spider. It could be that. And then they told me it's a baby. I'm like, wait, what? It's a baby? No. That's what they said. I don't know. All right. It was huge, you guys. It was probably, if his legs had been spread out, he'd have been as big as my hand. His body was probably in the middle here somewhere, but he was pretty big. Bigger than I wanted to see in my living room. He was actually on the door frame. He was in between my storm door and my my living room door. He was caught in between. So I wonder if I put one of these tissue here. Would that be pretty? I mean, of course it would be pretty, but you couldn't journal on it. And I want a journaling spot, so I'm going to leave that page. And then this could be another journaling spot. I kind of want to leave those. I got to find that paper. This is killing me. I cannot imagine where I put that paper. Actually, I do have a spot I don't think I looked. I usually keep papers like that. Like writing paper. No, it's not there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I did with that. I put it away in a really safe place. That's for dang sure. Wow. I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it. I was like, oh my gosh, I just found it. No, I didn't. But I could use that. We still have our ocean paper. I have this one too. Are they the same? They're different. Sentiments. That's where those sentiments are. I'm just thinking maybe it's down back in this. Oh, I might have dislocated it, you guys. I did. I found it. Finally. I can stop cleaning. I'm just kidding. I could. That's why I was cleaning. I wanted this paper. This is the perfect paper in here. So, this is what I wanted. I can still use this stuff in here. But this is what I was looking for. So that's fantastic. I found it. Yay. See how cute that would be in there? It's perfect for this. That's why I wanted it. Alright, so let's put some in. Stop talking about it. Let's do it. And actually, maybe... No, we'll tear it down. Something like that. And I could leave this bottom part to flip up. For that matter, I could leave the top to... I could leave this whole thing to flip up. Let me just put like a little flip on there too. And that way this can come up this way. Keep this here. Just like that. And it looks like it's just kind of tucked in. Might be a little bit wide. Let's tear this down just a little more. Oh, I'm so glad I found it. Okay. Did I make it too long? I did, so I'll just tear off the top. That'll work too. And we'll use some more of that washi. We could use a different washi. Let's use this one. So yeah, it promises to be an interesting Friday for sure. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic one. Looking forward to the weekend, I'm sure. I may or may not be working. I'm scheduled to work all weekend, so it'll be a good weekend. There we go. I like it. Okay, so that's going to open this way. This will open this way. You can lift up for this one. This one will open up this way as well. I think I'm going to leave it white. I could distress it, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'll just leave it. I like it the way it is. And then let's see what's next. I want to put some of this tissue in here. Maybe on a page like this would be nice. Now with that tissue, I think we're going to need some Mod Podge. I wonder if I should go over, you know what, maybe I'll do it over the book page. The book page will show through, and that's okay, but at least I would have a clear, page on, you know, I like these blank pages so that somebody can create on them. So maybe I'll just use the book page. We'll see how that turns out. If we don't like it, we won't do it again. Oh, come on, Mod Podge. It's glued shut, you guys. Okay, there we go. I haven't used this for a while. I heard it releasing air there. Okay. And I have a favorite tool for this. There we go. Do you guys have any of these silicone brushes? These are amazing. These are awesome. Because they spread that glue on really thin. I'm gonna put some paper under here so I don't get this everywhere. Got some ideas for some Halloween stuff coming up. Excited about that. What else? Kids are going to Hawaii next weekend. I'm so excited for them. It's only a week away. Isn't that amazing? It seems like it just happened so quickly. That'll be their honeymoon. So let's go this way. So of course they're excited. Wonder if should I just glue this over onto the next page? Maybe just a little. Just use that whole paper. I could do that. Got some little. It's wrinkling up a little bit, and that's okay. It's going to add to the interest on here. Too much there. Just a little. There we go. I don't want that gluing down, so we'll go lift that up. Maybe I'll just glue that down right there. There. It's a little crooked, but you know what I can do? I know, I just covered up the journaling spot. But you know what I could do is take another one of these papers and put it on there in a smaller form. Let's do that. my Mod Podge out. Let's just use that. That wasn't my intention, but it works out okay. All right, now I do need to go back and tear this because this paper is taller than the paper behind it. So, will it let me tear it? Let's see. Yeah, I want to tear it because it'll give it a little bit more rustic look. It won't be straight like a scissors would be. So I'll just tear it this way. There, awesome. Awesome. Now that's curling, which is one of the reasons why I don't use Mod Podge that often in my journals, or actually in my crafting. But this worked out. It'll be fine. And I think I want to do that to at least one more page in the back end of this journal, in the other signature. And I found some clips I could use for this. Where did those get placed? Over here? Let's clip this in. I don't like how wobbly it is. And this may not be the best clip for this. It probably isn't at all, but I've got to find some other ones. So we'll use that one for now. Let's find another page. And actually, how did that go over the writing? Did it covered it, didn't it? Well, you can still see it, which is fine, because wouldn't a picture be really pretty here? I think so. I think so. So let's do it again over on this side. I want to put it on the right-hand side this time. These are mostly blank. Let's see here. Do I have any writing on the right-hand side? Maybe not. Oh, it's going to have to be on the left-hand side. Or I could potentially put it, no, I don't want, I love this paper. I don't want to cover it like that. All right, we're going to put it over the words. We're just gonna. Yep. So this time, I think I'm going to go this way. And I'm only going to do it on this page this time. Put that paper back behind there. Sorry guys, I'm a little stuck in my brain this morning. A little stuck in my brain. Now I could have some fun and just push this. Yeah, let's do it. Why not? I don't want to waste it. It's already on there. Might as well. Let's just go ahead and fold it over this way. Not that I'd be wasting it because I'd save it for something else, but we might as well just do this. That's one more page with it. It's gorgeous. This tissue is so pretty. And I'm happy to have to be able to use it. I think this is going to be a great project for this. Some of my favorite things are in this journal already. I folded that tissue. It's okay. I'll tear that bottom in just a little bit. I'll do the same to the top. I'll let it dry a little. It's pretty tender when it's like that. So what I think, I'm going to put this away. I think that's all I want to do for that today. And then, I use some Mod Podge. Amazing that, like, rarely happens too. Actually, I need to for a cup order. I should keep that out. I've got a cup order that I've got to work on this weekend, so I'll leave that out. I do want to put, I'm going to put some more washi on here. If I have another, this one will be better. This one? This one, this one. I was going to add some glue, but I think this one will be okay. Maybe. Maybe not. This one's like the same color. Do I really want to do that? It's not even going to show. What's the point of that? None. So let's find something different. I should use some of this one in there. How about this one's pretty? We will use glue for this one though, because this one doesn't stick very well. I fixed my my pin holder and put that on my my light. That's the word. That's the word. I'm losing words again today. Look at that. All right. Just for pretties. I think that adds a nice finished look. We're going to tear, let's see if I can tear this now, if it's still too tender being so wet. Oop. Tear through the tape, which is fine. There. Okay. That'll work. Love it. There is a little piece of tape. I think that'll be fine. There's a little piece of tape sticking up here. I'm worried about it might be too sticky. So I will just grab my scissors and cut just a little bit right there. So that won't be an issue. Even if it isn't an issue, I took care of it. So it won't become one. Okay, so there's that. Got those there. I have some trim that Chloe gave me also that I want to use in here. For my birthday, the kids gave me this beautiful bag of trims. I think she said she got this from Amazon. And they're just beautiful. Oh, and she got me this die. I should make this in there. I think I will. And then look at these beautiful trims. Oh, and the wallet. I forgot she gave me the wallet too. I was going to get this out. My wallet is toasted. I need to replace it. So I'm glad she gave me that. This is from threadwallets.com. And look at that. Vertical card holder. RFID protected. Attach keys and lanyards, your gym pass. Hold 2 to 8 cards and cash. Ooh, this is elastic. That's pretty cool. And then are you supposed to keep this in there? Or is it, I don't know. Pretty neat, right? So I've got this little wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and probably start carrying that instead of the one I have. So look at these trims. They're gorgeous. This one looks like ocean waves, doesn't it? And they're thin. This one's the same one, but in a jute. It's a fun little rickrack. There's this one. This is really pretty too. I love that they're just so simple. This one has a little bit of color to it. Got this one. This one's a little thicker. This would be hard to put inside the journal, but it might be fun to do something at the edge maybe. And then there's this one. This is a little braid. And then this one. And it has the gold, which is also beautiful. And it's really thin too, so this would go nicely as well. So most of these would be perfect in here. So I wanted to kind of play with those today too. Let's take this one first. And I was thinking this might even be cute on this washi strip. Scissors, please. Thought this might be fun to put just right here. Maybe right here, give a little bit more room. Let's do that. And we don't have to wait for the glue gun to heat up, because I already did it. There we go. And then let's see, where else can we put some of this gorgeousness? I feel like it'd be kind of fun. Let me see if it'll work. Kind of fun maybe to use this on some of the edges, like a tab kind of. If I glue this section, this part would be sticking out. I like it. Let's do it. Need another glue gun. Oh no. Ouch. Ouch. This is hot. We want to put all kinds of beauty in here, so why not? Oh, I wanted to put some paper there too. There should be a wider one that I tore. Here we go. Is this one wide enough? Not really. Those instead. Let's put the bottom of one of these instead. One of these tickets. I need my desk to be like 3 feet wider. Where'd that one go? Where did it go? Not that one. Not that one. It's this one with my thumbs on. Right there. Kind of just glue that down. Right there. Let's go ahead and ink that up though. This paper, this little tablet of paper I got from Temu at some point. Recently, actually. It's just a little pad of paper. It looks like little invoices. It's cute. It's perfect for something like this. Just a little piece of something that can be written on. I like it. We could even put, let's see, we could put a tab there too. I don't want to put too much because I've got this. I'll do something different there. Okay, so I've got 2 pages with lace in the front, or trim in the front or in the back part. Those are good. Let's put one here. Just put this on there. Trying to balance it out just a little bit. And I don't have any other decorative pages here except for this one. This one would be fun with the white on it, because it really does remind me of the ways. It's cute. But I like it better this way. Yeah. There we go. And as I'm sitting here thinking, I was going to put that little charm on the bottom, but I think I'm going to change my mind about that. I don't think I'm going to put it at the bottom after all. I think what I'd like to do is add a bulb pin instead. But of course, I used those bulb pins from there. Grab my box. I'm having way too much fun. I hope you guys are crafting too, because I shouldn't have all the fun. I mean, I don't mind, but, you know, make sure you're crafting too. Well, here we go. Here's the right one. Got some goodies in here for sure. Here's a key. We could use the key for something. There's a little bulb pin. That's a black one. Do I have a rusty one? There's one. There's a rusty one. Let's get 2 rusty ones for that matter. There's a rusty one. Here's a clip. That's one I was looking for. Well, it could work. That's not the one I was looking for. And I got a whole bunch of metal ones right here. I'm going to put these. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave them there. How about charms, since we got this thing out? What can we put? What can we put? I need some ocean-themed charms. Oh, here's a little starfish, but that's a bead. Maybe I could use that. Anything here? Got a bee. Horseshoes. Anchor. There's an anchor. That would work. A feather. Maybe a feather. Maybe. Potentially. Seagulls. I don't know. It's a stretch. There's a seashell. That's a bead as well. I don't know about that one. Also a bead. But I could use them for something. I'm not sure, just not sure what yet. A bead. Here's a seahorse. All of my ocean ones are beads. What's up with that? There's an anchor with a ship wheel on it. A sailboat. I don't have a lot of ocean ones, do I? Another bead. I'm not going to pull it out. Not quite what I was looking for. Here's a gold ship reel. There's a gear. That would be kind of fun to put on there maybe for something. I don't know what. These are all the colored ones. Not quite what I'm looking for. I've got little gnomies. These are so cute, but I don't think they'd be on the beach necessarily. Party balloons. I've got, it's a pretty bead. Okay. Mushrooms, not so much. I need to clean this out. Some of these things don't belong, just don't belong here. That needs to go with my beads. I was looking for that. I've got this little thing. It's the Little Dipper. Maybe that would be fun. I don't know. And I've got these little guys, the little, these are kind of cool. That's a drink, a beach drink, maybe. Not quite the look I'm looking for. Okay, let's be done with that. Because, you know, if you don't find it in a minute, it's not meant to be. So I think we've got plenty here to work with for now. And keep going with. I also have this to go on the outside as a charm, which I'll need to put something down here too. So that could potentially hold, it does have a gold thing on it, so it could be, maybe that's something like that. We could do that. I think the key would be too long, although it might be nice, and then maybe add some of the charms to it. That could be fun too. So I'm going to hold these aside here. There's that pin. This is the bulb pins I was looking for. Let's see, one of these, maybe I'll use this one. And just pin it here. If I can figure out how to close a bulb pin, because apparently I've forgotten. There. I'll just pin that on there. Could put a couple beads on there or something too, which I'll probably do. And I'm going to set these in the safe place. If you guys, oh, look at this. More options and opportunities here. I forgot about these labels over here. I'm going to put these charms in with the labels. Might be a mistake, but if I need help, you guys remember where I put them, okay? All right, let's put this here. Oh, there's something stuck to the bottom. My turtle. That's where he went. He's stuck to the bottom of the box. He fell off and apparently attached himself there. He's going to get attached to my new light too. So I think that's a good place for him. And I'm going to tip this box. Oh, that won't work. Well, that'll work. So I can remember, because I'll see it. Okay. Now, all right, one thing at a time, T. One thing at a time. For now, I'm going to clip this key, this charm. I'm going to see if this bead will go on here. I don't think it will, because I think it's going to be too straight. Oh, no, maybe. No, it's too big. Where is it? Yeah. I'm going to just bulb pin this together, because that's my idea, is to do something maybe like that. But that might be too long for the journal. Or it might not. See how it goes on the back? This is my thought. Something like that would be fun. I think it needs more, but I think that's a good start. I could put some beads on there. I think that's cute. So that's my idea with that. Okay? So do I have 2 pieces of lace on the front, 2 pieces in the back. I think I want 1 more on the back because I've got 1 on the edge, 1 inside. So let's see. I don't have a lot decorated back there just yet. Maybe let's use one of these middle ones. And just put something simple there. Let's use this one again. I know there's no design yet, but I can design around it too. But then I can put that away. And we've got plenty of lace that'll be sticking out. Isn't that cute? I love that. And this will be dangling here. It's getting nice and chunky. And then I'll be able to use these trims inside the journal too as just different things. Or little... Anyway, let me put those back in the bag and move them off the desk and out of the way. This so sweet of Chloe to do that. She wanted to do something, and I know she didn't have a lot of money. So that was super sweet that she did that. And let's see, this one, this flower I feel like needs to be in there. Let's see what we could do this. Here, let's hold on to that for a minute. Let's get back into this box. So, something I wanted to do was put an envelope, a decorative envelope in there. So let's find one. I'm thinking one of this one. I really like this one. And we're going to get a piece of stationery to match. That's this one. I'm just going to put this inside. Do I fold it in half? Yes. Just a very simple addition. The insides are even pretty. We'll just put that in there. It fits, right? Yes. Okay, and then we can just kind of put this, I can just tuck this in somewhere. Let's see. We might need to make a tuck for it. That might be the next step. I think we're going to need to make a tuck. Let's do that. That might be pretty there because of the color. I could put a belly band. Let's do it. Yes, 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 yes. I like that idea. We need a belly band. So what I'm going to need is some stronger paper. Oh, I have this still too. I'm going to need some stronger paper to hold that in there. And I have some craft paper right here somewhere. That's not it. We could use this. Is this strong enough, I wonder? Probably not. Unless I backed it. Here's some craft paper. Trim that back. And I'm going to cut it just a little more narrow. Actually, probably about in half. Would be 2 inches would be just fine. That'll make a great belly band. And then we're going to put some of this. Let's find a page that will coordinate with that a little better. Like that. That was easy. And we'll just glue this to the back. I'm in love with this journal already. Having fun with it. Everything's just coming together. Seriously, using a lot of my favorite things here in my craft room. Love it. Now we don't need to do too much to this, but it would be great to use. I've got some of those tags over there. Let's see. I'm going to have to go this way with it. Oh, shoot. You know what? It's not quite long enough. And even if it was, I'm not going to have enough room on that page to stick this in. The page is too short. What if I put it on... Let's see, some of these pages are a little bit longer. Like this one would work well. Well, darn it. Okay, all right, well, I just thought of something else. This would be fun. So, it won't work that way. However, this will work. Check this out. Check this out. Put this here. I know I was going to put that one on that page too because of the fabric back there, but that's all right. That's all right. Just cut this straight across. And let's put some more of that paper on here. Set that aside a second. Just made this up while I was sitting there. Just thinking. If we put this here, glue this on the bottom. See, I might have to put a fold on here. Maybe not. Maybe just leave it. I could leave this to lift up, but you know what? I think that's going to be messy. I'm going to do something even different than that. So, I'm going to make a faux. Just a decorative thing here. It's not actually going to open. It's going to be a faux button situation. Glue that back down. So it's just a belly band. I just glued that together, but this will, maybe I should let it be for a minute. And then we're going to glue a button here. As if it was actually functional. have a function, but it'll look like it. Okay, then we've got this belly band. Try not to force it too much because it's still fresh glue, but there we go. There. How's that? Now I do think that I should put some tags or something on here or something. Let's see what we've got in this little thing. This doesn't have to be the one. Could put a few of them on here. We could do something like that. We've got these little tickets. What do these say? Nothing. Day 100 bubble. Huh? Nothing day 100% bubble. I wonder what that's supposed to mean. Put those on there. I like this combination with these numbers and things. Let's go ahead and vintage those up just a little. I don't have a lot of red in this journal, so I'm thinking I'm going to need to probably spread some of these out throughout just a little bit to help make it more cohesive. But we might have to do that another day because it looks like my video is getting a little long. There we go. Okay, I like that. And I think that's going to be it for today, you guys. I am trying not to make my videos too long, but my recording just shut off on me, so I'm thinking it must have been time. So let's glue this down. So that's it for this one for today. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Be safe. Stay cool. All the things. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.